In today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of camera control in Blender. Mastering camera control can really enhance your ability to create stunning visuals by giving you the precision you need when framing your scenes. Let's dive right in and get comfortable with moving and positioning our cameras just the way we want. To start off, let's see how we can view through the camera. This gives you a direct perspective of what the camera sees in your scene. Simply press numpad 0 on your keyboard. This is a quick toggle on and off, allowing you to view what the camera is capturing versus what you see from a more general perspective. Next, let's align your viewport to the camera. If you have set up a specific view that you want your camera to capture, you can easily align the two. Position your viewport exactly where you'd like it, and then by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0, you will snap your camera to this new position. This is a powerful way to set up your scene without having to manually adjust the camera itself. Moving on, once you're in the camera view, you might find it helpful to lock your camera to the view, allowing you to navigate the scene while maintaining this perspective. Press numpad 0 again if you're not already in the camera view. Then head over to the 3D viewport side panel. Under the View tab, you'll find an option to lock camera to view. Check this box, and now anytime you navigate using the standard tools, the camera will follow your view. Speaking of navigation, it's also crucial to understand how to pan, rotate, and zoom within the camera view. These operations keep your camera in check with your creative intentions. For panning, hold Shift and the middle mouse button to move the camera both side to side and up and down. Panning is especially useful for making minor adjustments to your composition. When you need to rotate the camera, just hold the middle mouse button without any key modifiers. Rotating the camera lets you easily adjust for a different angle or perspective in your scene, adding a unique touch to your framing. Finally, zooming in and out is as simple as using the mouse wheel. This can help you focus on finer details or give more context to your composition when you zoom out. With these techniques, you'll have greater control over how your scenes are depicted, and you'll be better equipped to capture exactly what you envision. Camera control might seem basic at first, but with practice, it becomes an extension of your artistic intent. Practice regularly, and soon enough, you'll be navigating and capturing your scenes like a pro. Enjoy experimenting with these tools and see how they can transform your workflow in Blender. Happy creating!